Hey guys, it's Goomy here from Weeb Hut, this time with another review, a vegan product review. So last time I reviewed the Sir Kensington's Chipotle vegan mayonnaise. This is Follow Your Heart's version, gourmet. So, gonna see how this is. We got a nice vegan quesadilla here using Trader Joe's beefless ground beef. And let's open this up. Let's open it the way I always do things. All right. So let me just try a bit of this. Yeah, I'll use the knife here. Mmm. Oh, it's got more of a spice than the Sir Kensington's. I like this. Let's see what's in this. Canola oil, water, garlic, brown rice syrup, white wine vinegar, pea protein, chipotle peppers. That's what does that. Yeah, I could taste there's some chipotle pepper bits inside of it. I do not think the Sir Kensington's, I did not taste any bits in it. This is very good. Alright, so I'm going to enjoy this on my quesadilla while it's still warm. And remember to like and subscribe if you want some more vegan product reviews. That's how you do it.